Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem named as chef and his student. So this problem is too easy, but you see the statement length is much bigger than usual. So I will explain this statement in a very few seconds. So let me tell you. So in this problem we are given a string which contains these type of strings where where this where one second where this sign denotes where this sign denotes that the corresponding student is talking to the student to the right, and this denotes the corresponding student is talking to the student to the left. So after this the after this student will change their position because teacher is coming in the classroom, so they change their position. Like if they are facing this direction, then it will turn to this direction, and then teachers caught them and we have to print they are punished or not. So if so general case is that when they face like this, then we have to count it like, and they punished which one, they punished one, any one of them. Okay, so any one of the teachers punished, so we count one here, and then here after this we again count one, so we will print two. But this is my example, but in real string we have to make changes. What we have to make changes, we have to change the characters. Like if the student facing this direction, after this in final student will change their direction to this direction. So what we are going to do here, we using the simple trick which is, if initial student is like this direction, initially student in this direction, after changing the direction of talking, they will come to this position and teacher caught them and they will punish one of them. So what we are going to do, from here we are going to take the string as if they are facing like this, then we will count one. Why we are doing this? Because ultimately the character, the direction of the student, before the coming after coming the teachers, they will change to this direction, and here you can see that they are talking to each other. So teacher will be punish them. Okay, so initially we are taking this, and if they are not facing to each other, then we are count plus plus, because ultimately if teacher comes, the position of student will be this. So why we are uh, taking this to increase our own complexity of coding. So initially we are taking this, and if they are not facing to each other, then we will count plus plus. Why? Because ultimately if teachers come, they will change their direction to this, and teachers call them. So we will use here if else condition. If they are facing to opposite direction, then we will count plus plus and shout count means we will print output shout count. So let's see the code how I implemented. So first, as usual, test cases, and then I I have taken an input as a dot next, in which the user will provide the directions, or you can say the positions. Oh, sorry, I forgot that the star mark shows the student are studying, and this shows the students are talking to each other. So we have to not change this star mark. We have to only take care of this too. So here what we are going to do, if they are not facing to each other, then we will count plus plus. You can see the direction of students is this and this, they are not facing to each other and then count plus plus. Here you remember that the I will be s dot length minus 1, because here I plus 1 comes. If it I is less than s dot length, then error compile may show you error. So that's all the problem. After I submit submission, you can see the code is correctly working. So I hope you understand the problem and the solution also. If you have any doubt about this problem, you can ask me in comment section. So thank you for watching this video, guys.